Hi, I'm Walkster1970, and today I'm going to be taking apart this oil pump, cleaning it up, and putting it back in the case half of the 1984 Shadow VT500C. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do before I lose it is take this pin out, and then take these 3 bolts off. We got one longer one. So the longer one goes in there. Let's take this apart and see what it looks like. Nope. Don't want to lose that pin. Hoping it would all stay together. We got a washer in there. Got a pin here. Put that right next to there. It looks a little rough. See if I can get that cleaned up. Let's see what this looks like. Let's see if I can get this apart. And there's a mark on there, but there's not one on the other half. Let's see if I can get this clip out. Of course, it's spring loaded. Well, I pulled the whole thing out, and then this came out. This is like a pressure relief. I don't know what that pin must be, the stopper for the bore. Get my flashlight. There's nothing inside of there. Just this O-ring on the outside. I'm going to try to take this O-ring off. Hoping it's just a metric O-ring. Okay, let me clean this up then. Found this O-ring from this Harbor Freight O-ring kit. This is a 113 on here, which is equivalent to 13.8 internal diameter and an 18.6 outside diameter. That's the closest one that I've found. That's the closest one I've got. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil on that. And slide it over top of this. I was right, it's got to be the 113. It's either the 113 or it's nothing. Because that other one will not fit in there. Seems to be pretty good. Sanded this down a little bit with 1000 grit sandpaper. Supposed to check the clearance between the inner tip and outer rotor. Ooh, that's rough. These are the parts out of the 86. Look a little bit better. That one compared to that one. And the inside of that is all scratched up. See how that fits in there. It feels smoother. Okay, the clearance between here is supposed to be 0.006 of an inch, and that is a snug fit in between there. Yep. Okay, and the other one, the outside diameter, this is 0.15 for this one, millimeters, or 0.006 of an inch. Outer rotor to body clearance 0.15 to 0.22 or 0.6 to 0.9. So that's quite a difference in trying to get that in there. That's not going to fit. I'd say it's good. I can't even get anything in there. Put that back together like that. Loctite on them. That's got to go in there, and that in on top of it, and then the washer. snap ring. Come on. Let's see if they're better. In there. Looks pretty good. Now let's try it. Feels better. Okay. Now I've got that together. So go back in here. And then I'm going to need 2 washers for on here. They'll go on the engine, on the case. This is the oil strainer O-ring, part number 15154-425-000. Oil on there, shut up in there, oil on here, that's good. It's turning pretty good, hopefully good enough. Put that back on the engine. These go in here with these O-rings on them. And then the pump is going to sit on top of that. But before the pump goes in, this has got to go on. And this is the O-ring for the oil pump to pickup tube. That is part number 91319-300-000. One there, and the other one on here. And one end's going to slide up into here, like so. But I don't want to do that until I get that in here. It looks like there's already no ring in there. I got to get out. Okay. So this is going to go in here. And then this whole assembly is going to sit in like this. Turns okay. Seems to be spinning. Long one there. Both the same size. Yep. One there. One there. And then a shorter one here. I gotta get a 10mm socket and snug them up. I'm tightening up these bolts. Take the 10mm. Turns okay, yeah. Seven. I'm going to set these to, I think, 5 foot-pounds. Seems pretty good. Well, that'll do it for installing the oil pump back into the left case half of the 1984 Honda Shadow VT 500C. Next video, hopefully I'll be getting this side case back together, and we're sealing this up and getting everything back together. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.